For startup pest control businesses, choose a compact set of multi-purpose products that cover indoor and outdoor needs without overcomplicating inventory. Start with a water-soluble granule like Alpine WSG for indoor crawling insects and stored product pests because it mixes to precise concentrations and has long residual activity when applied to cracks and voids. Use a professional synthetic pyrethroid in a low-concentration liquid such as Bifen LP for turf, landscape, and perimeter treatments. Apply as granular bands or dilute for broadcast sprays to conserve material and reduce phytotoxic risk. Keep a non-repellent, low-odor dust product, such as Delta Dust, for targeted spot and void applications where residual contact is critical, especially in attics, wall cavities, and under siding. Apply with a narrow wand or bulb duster to avoid over-application. Buy concentrated or multi-purpose formulations so you can mix for multiple scenarios and label rates, and always calculate square footage and dilution volumes before mixing to avoid waste. Rotate modes of action on a planned schedule to slow resistance development, documenting product, rate, and outcome after each service visit. Train technicians on mixing safety, personal protective equipment, and clear drift management practices so treatments are effective without creating non-target exposure. Common mistakes include overmixing or incorrect dilution that wastes product and can harm plants or clients. Prevent this by using measuring containers and writing the final gallons and rates on the service ticket. Another frequent issue is ignoring application location specificity, for example, using perimeter broadcast where spot dusting is better. Solve that by matching formulation to the site, using dusts and voids and liquids for surface contact. A third problem is poor follow-up and monitoring after treatment, which hides failures. Fix this with scheduled inspections, sticky cards, or simple client checklists, and adjust applications based on observed efficacy. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and local availability. We also host an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange real-world tips on treatments, rates, and customer communication.